In today's video, we are going to show you how to watch videos on Edpuzzle, whether you're a student, completing an assignment, or maybe watching for review. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Classes, because this is where all your assignments live. Now, for example, you have an assigned video to watch right here. Now, all I have to do is super simple, okay? Click the video that you wanted to watch, all right? You see there is an instruction that you need to finish watching this video, all right? Now, some teachers disable skipping, so you may need to watch the entire video straight through, all right? And of course, you also have the option for the caption if it's turned on by your teacher. You can use it here. And the video will pause automatically if there is any questions along the way. And of course, I want you to read the questions carefully, select or type your answer. And once you are done watching the video, click submit to continue watching. And again, remember, you must answer the question if there is any questions along the way with the video to move forward. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to watch videos on Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.